guys, we got a clogged sink here. Looks like I got this drain snake from Amazon. It's $15.99. I got a clogged sink here. It's been clogged up for a while. I've been trying to plunge it and it's not working. So we're gonna go ahead and use this drain snake. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna go ahead and release this bolt that's holding the wire. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen it up. You see how it stretches out right there. Gonna throw that in there. All right, guys. So from here, it stopped. We're gonna go ahead and get closer. Then we're gonna tighten up the bolt. Once we tighten up the bolt, then we're gonna spin it so it can grab all in there. So it's turning inside the tube. It's going. I can feel it go deeper, deeper. All right, then loosen up the bolt a little bit. Loosen up the bolt. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and tighten it back up. All right, now we're gonna turn it again. Turn it to go deeper. So it's going in. It's going all the way through the tubes. See, I feel it going in. All the way through. Alright, before I take it out, we're going to go ahead and test it. See how the water's doing. See if the clog did go away. Alright, so this drain snake for $16. It's awesome. It's so worth it. It's pretty heavy duty. It's not cheap. I don't feel like it's super cheap. I feel like it's gonna last for a while. So once you got the clog resolved there, you just pull it out. Just pull it back in. You see it winds up. And this tube here. So this is getting closer. Alright. Ooh. Look at all that. That's amazing. All that was clogged. You seen what came out? It looks like I don't have a little screen there. So in order for us to fix that, we're gonna go ahead and put all these Hilltop products. It's a little screen. Just go ahead and throw it there and now it'll catch everything that goes down the drain. That solves all that problem. Alright guys, take care.